2 years have passed since the Disney World Explorers finished their third season. On March 15th, the parks closed due to COVID. They reopened on July 11th without any meet and greets, and our Disney Explorer wasn't any happier. He decided to wait until further notice. On November 21st, 2021, some meet and greets returned in a social distant way, but still wasn't ready yet. On March 2020, we heard that meet and greets will return on April 18th. In the summer, the Disney World Explorers were finally renewed. And now it's Disney World's 50th anniversary, and our hero is ready for lots of meet and greets and starting his scavenger hunt for Disney character sculptures beginning now here at the Magic Kingdom. Little does he know, there's a not-so-scary Halloween party tonight, and he has special meet and greets plans for this event.